Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make soft ice candy, easy method. Start by combining cream, milk, sugar, and a small stabilizer, then gently warm until dissolved. Cool the mix thoroughly, chill it in the fridge, and use slow churning or periodic stirring while freezing to create tiny ice crystals. Taste and adjust sweetness, then store in an airtight container to preserve texture and flavor for serving. Gather whole milk, heavy cream, sugar, and your chosen stabilizer, plus any flavoring like vanilla or fruit puree. Measure carefully to maintain the right fat and sugar balance that prevents large ice crystals. Warm the mix only until sugar dissolves, then cool it quickly to stop cooking. Chilling overnight improves final texture, and tuning sugar levels adjusts sweetness while keeping the candy scoopable and soft. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more simple kitchen guides. Quick recommendation. On another note, the new Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading recipes anywhere, and it's compact enough to bring into the kitchen without worrying about spills. It has a bright display and long battery life, making it handy for following steps while you cook. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Use slow churning or periodic stirring every 20 minutes, while the mixture freezes to break up forming crystals and keep the texture soft. Freeze in shallow metal pans to speed cooling and encourage uniform crystal size, and cover to prevent ice buildup. If the candy becomes too firm, let it sit at room temperature for a few minutes or microwave briefly on low to restore scoopable softness without melting completely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.